In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change your profile name. In Facebook, be sure to watch the video to the very end, so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So, let's get started. And first off, open up Facebook app. Then head over to menu. Then hit add to that gear icon to open up settings. And on that screen, you can easily find personal information. Just tap on it on that page. You can easily find name, and on the next step, you will be able to edit your name. You can edit your first name, middle name, and last name. Please know that if you change your name on Facebook or Instagram, you can't change it again for 60 days. Don't add any unusual capitalization, punctuation characters, or random words. Once you've done with that, hit Add Review Change, and on the next step, you will be able to choose how your name will appear on your profile. You can select one of that options. Then just enter your Facebook profile password. And then hit on Save Changes. That's how it's done now. You can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you like that video. And see you in the next one.